Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix contacts not showing up on iPhone. First, you're going to need to go into Settings. Then you're going to tap on your phone's name right at the top. Then you're going to select iCloud. And you want to ensure right where you see contacts, you want to ensure that that is in green, meaning that it is turned on. So any contact that is saved on your iCloud will automatically show up in your phone. After you have done that, if you still don't see the contacts showing up, I would recommend that you scroll down and you select Mail. And from there, you're going to select Accounts. And you want to ensure that the email address that you had saved the contacts on, for instance, you want to ensure that it is logged in on your phone. And then you'll simply tap on it, for instance, Yahoo. And you want to ensure that contacts right here is turned on. You want to ensure that it is in green. If you have done all of that and you still don't see your contacts showing up, what I would recommend you do is go into Contacts. Then you're going to tap on Groups in the top left-hand corner. And you want to ensure that all of these are ticked and enabled. Then you'll tap on Done, and that's it. Hope these steps prove helpful to you. If they did, be sure to tell me and hit the like button.